Hi everyone, my name is Keith. I'm a machine expert with USACLEAN for 11 years, and this is a Tennant S5 sweeper. In this video series, I'm going to show you some general maintenance that you can do yourself to keep your machine running at peak performance, and it's going to help minimize the cost and need of sending a service tech. So you have a damaged wheel and you have to replace it. Now, first, go ahead and brace your machine so that the wheel is off the ground. Now we got to take this cap off. Just use a flathead screwdriver. Pop that cap right off of there. And now get yourself some spring clip pliers and remove the spring clip. Be careful not to lose that. Now there's a washer. And then the wheel just slides right off. Install it, just reverse the steps again. Take your new wheel, slide it back on the shaft, replace the washer, put the spring clip back on, and then put your cap back on there. And you're done. Once again, my name is Keith. For all the parts listed in today's video, plus thousands of diagrams and how-to repair guides, be sure to click the link in the description below or visit us on the web at USACLEAN.com. Now, if you like what you watch, go ahead and hit that like button and subscribe for future videos. Stay safe and thanks for watching.